The sweeper evolution. Victorian England, crossing sweepers. From the early 1800s to the early 1900s, crossing sweepers were tasked with sweeping a path for those crossing the dirty streets. The patent street sweeping machine of Manchester. In 1854, Whitworth's invention is put into operation in Philadelphia. He patents a horse-drawn machine designed to pick up thrash and debris. The simple machine comprises a cylinder with attached brushes that spin by means of a bicycle chain. First motorized street sweeper. In Elgin, Illinois, John M. Murphy pitches his idea for a motorized street sweeper. Murphy's motorized sweeper uses a broom to sweep up large particles of dirt and trash. A conveyor belt takes the dirt from the broom to a receptacle. In 1913, after 2 years of prototyping, the Elgin Sweeper Company sells its first machine to the city of Boise, Idaho. Tech advances in the environment. In 1970s, street sweepers are upgraded to include water tanks and sprayers, which reduce dust and loosen particles as small particles carry pollution into storm drains that lead to oceans and waterways. The newest street sweepers can collect and hold particles measuring less than 10 microns in size. Today, street sweepers are integral to environmental cleanliness by reducing heavy metals and pollutants that enter waterways, protecting fish and aquatic wildlife, improving water quality, reducing localized flooding, and removing harmful pollutants.